8-year-old Peter, who is shy and ridiculed, lives with his controlling and emotionally aloof parents, Carol and Mark. But Miss Devine, his substitute teacher, feels sorry for him. Due to the abduction of a little girl in the area a few years ago, Peter's parents forbade him from going trick-or-treating on Halloween night. Later that evening, Peter is awakened by a tapping noise coming from his bedroom's inside wall. These events are denied by his parents, who maintain that he is just dreaming. A voice from the wall speaks to Peter over the course of the following few days. The voice refers to Peter's parents as evil and says they imprisoned her behind the walls. When Peter draws a picture of himself in bed, screaming, and writing the words "Help me," Miss Devine becomes alarmed. Carol chastises Peter for showing his teacher his hallucinations. Bully Brian ruins Peter's prize pumpkin at school. Peter throws Brian down the stairs, shattering his leg, after being encouraged by the voice's suggestion. Peter finds a pit covered with a grate in the basement after his parents imprison him there when they find out he has been expelled. When Miss Devine goes to check on Peter, Mark, who has a cut on his arm, threatens her and drives her away. The voice identifies herself as Peter's older sister Sarah, whom their parents kept away after determining they no longer wanted her, after Peter is later freed from the basement. The girl who vanished years ago was a trick-or-treater who was killed by Carol and Mark after she tried to assist Sarah, and they had decided to put her in jail on Halloween. Peter finds the young girl's skull in the garden after she instructs him to go see what their parents buried there. She persuades Peter that their parents will murder her and then put him in the walls. His only option is to kill them, which he accomplishes by putting rat poison in their meal and disconnecting their phones so they are unable to call for help. Mark dies from the poison, while Carol unintentionally stabs herself with a kitchen knife after Peter knocks her down the stairs, despite both parents' best efforts to stop him. Carol tells him, just before she passes away, "Don't let her out." In their parents' bedroom, Peter opens a secret entrance behind the grandfather clock. When Sarah eventually crawls out, she is a hideous, deformed creature. Sarah reveals that she was born with severe deformities, making her appear like a monster after capturing her brother. Their parents locked her away because they were afraid of her appearance, leaving her to live a miserable, wild life in the dark. She admits to tricking Peter into exacting revenge on their parents for putting her in captivity. Sarah wants Peter dead because she has hated him since he was born for being allowed to live the regular life she was denied. But before she can murder him, Brian and his relatives arrive with plans to exact revenge on Peter. However, Sarah kills them all after breaking into the house. When Miss Devine shows up, she tries to assist Peter in getting away, but Sarah assaults her and takes Peter back. They lock the girl in her pit once more after Peter subdues Sarah by seizing her long hair as she is about to end the pair. She promises to always haunt him and to ultimately go away.